just kind of like the way that, it's a little ASMR for you. I just like it. I don't know why, I do. It just sounds good. What's up everyone, my name is Sal Sincata. Welcome back to the channel where we are talking all things photography. So today we got a little bit of a challenge. We're gonna have some fun with it. We have got Haley, beautiful Haley behind me modeling today. Give us a little wave, a little shout out. Doesn't she look good? She looks awesome in her black outfit. But how do we create some dramatic lighting to really match the mood of the outfit? So today I've decided to go with a Snoot as the main light and a blue gelled Profoto A10 as a fill light, so we can have some blue edge light on her. Now, you know, you don't gotta be fancy and buy all those, fancy light modifiers. I'm just using a rubber band and some blue gel that you can pick up at any camera supply store, along with gridding it so that we can control the speed. So that we can control the spill of the light. But I want a dark, moody portrait. So we're gonna set up the Snoot as the main light, and then we're gonna use this blue gel light. And it's a simple setup, two simple tools that will give your images a unique look. So let's start actually setting this stuff up and putting it to use. All right, so we're gonna put the Snoot on here. It's a silicone Snoot, real easy to use. And then we are going to just elevate this above her. And I want that light coming right down on her face. And when you're working with your subject, you have to tell them to look up at that light, or else it's gonna create really bad shadows, which by the way is not always a bad thing. It just might not be exactly what you're looking for. So I'll shoot it both ways where she's kind of looking straight ahead. We'll get some shadows there. You won't really be able to recognize her. And then I'll have her looking up at the light where we'll see her blue eyes just popping off for that. Then what we're gonna do is we are gonna use this blue Profoto A10, or I'm sorry, just use the Profoto A10 with a grid on it, right? So we've got their click grid. This one's a 20-degree grid. Put it there. And to be fair, Profoto makes blue gels. I just didn't have them available, sorry. So we're using a rubber band and blue creative kind of gels that you can pick up at any camera store. I just kind of like the way that, it's a little ASMR for you. I just like it. I don't know why, I do. It just sounds good. All right, so we're gonna fire that at her, fill the shadows. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a few test shots. I am in manual mode. The light is powered for F11, and then that backlight is just there as an edge light, and it is full power, I believe. No, sorry, we are at 9 of 10, and if I've got to raise it, I'll raise it. So let me get a test shot. I want you here, body's perfect, looking up at that light, right there. Bring your eyes to here. Yep, whatever's behind my hand, look at that. I'm just gonna get a test shot here and make sure I like what I'm seeing. Stunning. And so now bring your chin this way just a dinch and up a dinch. Yep. And what I'm gonna do, because of the remote here, I'm actually gonna dial this power down about a half a stop. Take one more test. There we go. Now I like what I'm seeing. Chin more left, chin up higher. Okay, and I'm gonna turn this gel, make sure I'm hitting, because of that grid, you're not getting a lot of spill, so I wanna make sure that I'm hitting her kind of shadows here. I don't wanna overpower with the gel. I just wanna kind of create edge, like, yes, some drama and mood with that blue. Really, really like that. Now, I'm looking at my shots as I'm going through. You're seeing them as well. So I've got a little bit of a hot spot on her, her right shoulder. So all I'm gonna do is twist this light a little bit away and get it off that left side, that camera left side. There we go, much better. Chin up, there it is, beautiful. Beautiful, stay there. Stunning. Now looking right at me, right there. So now, right, I've got to pull this away a little and make sure I'm not creating these hard shadows on her eyes. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, and what is happening is we are getting some shadows, but I think it works for the look of what we're going for. So stay there with it. Don't lean so much. Come up for me. Yep, let that body come up. Straighten up. There you go. Body's perfect. Turtle. Yeah, there it is. Chin down. There's the expression. 1, 2. Beautiful. 1, 2. All right, so what I'm going to do now is when she comes at camera, I'm getting a little bit of that blue hitting the tip of her nose, and I don't like it at all, right? So you're seeing that in camera. Some people it may not bother them where it's hitting her nose, but for me, it seems like really poor light control. So I'm just going to keep feathering this until we can stop hitting her nose with that light. Beautiful. Okay. Something else we can do is position this so that that blue light is firing right into the camera lens. Test. I like that. Chin this way. Yep. Eyes on me. 1, 2. Stay there. Gorgeous. Go back up to that pose. Chin more. Head this way. Yeah. More. Chin this way. And yeah, I love where your eyes are. A little higher. Good. Let's see what that's looking like. Gorgeous. Stay there with it. 1, 2. This could be one of my favorites. Right there. 1, 2. Gorgeous. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. All right. Let me get a little more flare. Sorry. Chin this way a little more. Yep. Chin up. So what I'm doing is moving this in just so you get it right on the edge of the lens, and it gives you some real nice flare with that. 1, 2. Yeah, that's what I want. 1, 2. Gorgeous, my girl. And last one. All right, well, there you have it. There's some fun things you can do just with a snoot and a gel. Get creative, have some fun, make it yours.